Here we can study the logic gates by using discrete components such as diode and transistor. By using these diode and transistor components, we can perform the basic fundamental logic operations such as OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. The corresponding circuit for this OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate is given on this board. Here this is for OR gate, this is the circuit operation for AND gate, and this is for NOT gate. So at first for OR gate, here we use two diodes, this diode A and diode B. These are the two terminals. First diode D1 and D2. First diode D1 is connected to terminal A and second diode D2 is connected to B terminal. Here these are the source terminals. This is positive terminal and negative terminal. Here there is 5 volt DC supply is given. So this is 5 volt level and this is ground level. So we use high state as this terminal and low state as this terminal. So here the output is across this Y terminal. So we can connect this output Y to this LED in this way. And here we can perform the truth table. These are the two inputs A and B. So first of all we use these two terminals for input. So in first case there are low outputs, that is 0 0. So I connect these to 0 level, means low level, output will be 0. Then in second case A is 0 and B is 1. So here the terminal A is 0. So we connect terminal A to low state and terminal B to high state. We will get the output high. Output Y is high. Then in third case A is 1 and B is 0. Output will be Y is equal to 1. Then in last case A is high and B is also high. So both inputs are high, then output will be high. So here in this case, if any one of the input is high, output will be high. This is the circuit diagram for OR gate using discrete component. This is the logic symbol. These are the two terminals, input terminals A and B, and output terminal Y is equal to, the operation is A plus B. Here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to also 1. Here high state shows the output high. In second operation, AND gate using diodes. So we use another circuit for this experiment. So here these are the two diodes. They are connected in reverse mode. This is what VCC supply is already provided to this terminal through this resistance. Then output is along this Y terminal. So here these are the two inputs, A input and other input is B input. Then we take the output across this Y terminal. So we can connect the circuit arrangement just like this. If there is two inputs, there are 4 possibilities. Both inputs are low. Then we connect the both inputs to this low state. Output will be low in this case. Then another case, A input is high and B input is low, then output will be also low. Then in third cases, A input is low and B input is high, then output will be low. But in the case, last case, both inputs A and B are high, then output state will be high. So here in this case, if all the inputs are high, then all the inputs are high, then output will be high state. In case of or NOT gate, we can use a transistor. Here the transistor is given in the at board. So there is only one input and only one output. So input is here at base of the transistor, there is input, and at output there is suppose the input is low, then output will be high, and then if the input is high, then output will be low. Here the condition we can perform just like this. Suppose the input is low, means I connect the wire to low terminal, then output will be high. And in the second case, if the input is high, output will be low. I connect this terminal to high state, output will be low in this case. So we can perform this basic fundamental logic operation by using the discrete component just like diode and transistor. Thank you.